I got myself 2. And then I got a bunch of squash and eggplant. I don't really eat eggplant like that. And I don't want to transplant the squash because they just don't do good. And I'm not trying to kill them. Why am I spending money to kill them? As far as the herbs and stuff, I can start from seed. I'm not really pressed about those. I have some oregano. I have seeds for what is this? I have seeds for cilantro. I have mint. I have basil. I need to get more purple basil seeds. No, I don't. I have purple basil. I don't want citronella. I get it every year, and I kill it every year. I have rosemary right now, and I haven't killed it. I neglect it. So apparently I'm doing something right by doing that. Oh, bell peppers. Did I start bell peppers? I got a couple in the ground. I just don't want to. I don't think I want to get a bell pepper. Sweet banana pepper. Ooh. This is to-do list. I say 5 7. I'm trying to see what this is talking about. 411. No, I need a something that's organic. I said an all-around food source, right? Okay. I hear birds. What did I say I needed? I have plenty of green beans. I said I needed. That's why I wrote this down. Cucumber and squash seeds. And let's make sure I get heirloom variety. Parsley, sage. Veggies have to be on the other side. These are herbs. Somebody put this lovely box in the way. Push that out the way. Okay, cucumber. I mark it more. Is that heirloom? It's not. Is there an heirloom cucumber? Oh, I have one. Well, I know marking more. And do they have a pickable one? Pick a bushel? I'm probably gonna have to. Okay, I said cucumber and squash. What in the heck are the squash seeds? Peppers, squash. Okay. And zucchini. I haven't seen a piece of zucchini. Black beauty. What else? I have a bunch of corn at home. Summer squash. Good Google movies already had out here. At some point, I'm gonna get one of these big old chickens. I bet this costs $200 for the tag it. Ain't no way. Okay. I came for some squash. This is beans and flowers. No grazie. Bell peppers, tomatoes. Market. Do they have a picking cucumber? I'm sleepy. Ooh, I might hit up. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say I might hit up This is the squash. I don't want straight neck, baby. I want crook neck. This heirloom, ain't it? Certified organic. It don't matter. Okay, I'm in Home Depot now because Lowe's obviously didn't have what I needed. Ooh, there's my fish fertilizer that I love so much that Lowe's didn't even have. That is too far back and I can't reach. Wait, I think these are smaller bottles. 464. Why does nobody have like a high 0, 10, 10? This is actually something I'm looking for. And PK 0. That's good. Okay. See if I can find something else. And compare the two, 464. I never heard of More Bloom, but it's by the Alaska company that does the fish stuff, so it's got to be some type of good. I don't even know what this means. 18, 18, 21. Rose and flower. I got roses. Should I get this for my roses? Okay. I guess I'm getting that. I'll get like, what, 2 of these, call it a day. This should fill up my potato thing. Jimmy's gonna have to help me. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do all this by myself. A bunch of heavy lifting. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Don't fall while I'm over here. Alright, let me go get one more thing. See if I can find the trellises for my tomatoes. Not gonna be hot. Sorry, I hold the camera low. I should probably hold it high so you can see where it's going. It's hot. I'm tempted to get one of these because, oh, they have limes on them. How much is this? The key lime tree I have has not produced nothing. I'm getting it. Wait, there's one with blooms. This already has fruit on it. 1, 2. I kind of want one with a bunch of flowers. That way. I know I'll have fruit. That's what I want. So I could possibly say that Rose Island has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this has more potential. That's possible. I'm gonna swap this out of my other whatchamacallit. Because I think that tree is dead. And if it's not, it's gotta be. How do I get this from up here? Oh, you're gonna miss somebody. Oh, simple. Okay. How many tomatoes I got? 1, 2. It's okay, because they're not that tall yet. I can cut this in half. Alright. That's everything I got. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and it's not even 7 o'clock. Boy, it seems. I woke up at 5. That's okay. I went to sleep late last night too, so that's my fault. Let me go ring this stuff up and get out of here. I'm probably gonna stop by Starbucks to get myself a matcha I can do that. I can do something watching. And then I'm on my way. So this is me. I'm back at home, and I'm about to plant the sweet potatoes. I can't plant in ground because we have clay soil. So what I'm doing is using what I have. I remember the other day I was like, oh, I got a bin in there I'm not using. It's just sitting in there. So I emptied it out and I put some holes in it. And I'm going to use it. So right here, I'm putting cardboard down to smother the grass, kill the grass, so it won't be interfering with my vines. I want to be able to know the difference between what is my food, which I mean I have eyes to see. Yes, my daughter came here knocking on the door. But I mean, I can see the difference between my vines and stuff. But if I'm cutting grass, I might get distracted. I don't know. I just don't want it to be... That's just how I want it to look. I want the... And then I also think it'll be pretty against... The vines will be pretty against the wood chips. Pretty green and brown. You know. So I filled it up with wood chips. I got a humongous wood chip pile that I got for free from Chip Drop. You can pay them to come early, $20, and they give you a big old dump load. Or you can wait until you get it free. I waited 3 months to get this, but it came right on time. So after the wood chips, you saw me grab some leaves, just adding organic matter. Then I did a bag of compost. The first yellow bag was mushroom compost, and the last bag is just garden soil. And then that's the tag, so it tells me what kind of sweet potato it is. So I put that in. I like to put that in the containers if I'm not gonna remember. I don't have none of this stuff written down. That just helps me. So first I was gonna do all 12 of the sweet potatoes in there, but then I thought that was too much. I don't want to. They're gonna be competing for space, right? Excuse me. This is a 50-gallon container. And I want them to be able to actually like get those roots down and give me some nice potatoes, sweet potatoes. But if it's competing for space, then, you know, I no. Most of the time I think I overdo it. And this time I just want it to be just right. So I didn't do 12. I was going to do just the 6, 3 on each side. But then I was like, that is just too much empty space in the middle. So I went back and added 3. And then the other 3, I'm going to give to my mom. You know, she want to get into gardening. And I love it. She loves it. She just got to get her feet wet. She got to, she just got to dive in. So I'm going to help her do that. Because I don't need them sweet potatoes and I don't want them wet. Okay. Then, pretty much I'm going to water these at the end of the video. I go through and I water the whole garden. But that's pretty much it. The next thing I am doing is I'm doing the same thing I did for my sweet potatoes, but this is for my squash and my, what is this? Cucumber. Yellow squash and cucumber. Putting the cardboard down to kill the weeds so I can see, just think it'll look nice. This is a 2-for-1 because the cardboard will kill out the weeds and then I put wood chips on top. Once all that breaks down, it's going to help make the soil so much better. Adding organic matter to this clay soil that does not drain well. And would drown everything if I did it in ground. So those crates, I got them off the side of the road. I knew they would come in handy in the garden specifically. I was like, I'm going to plant something in there. I'm going to line it with something and I'm going to put some dirt in there and it's a container. That's a potting plant. The biggest thing about being gardening is to use your resources. Use what you have. If you don't have something, make it. Literally. With what you have. That's where your brains and your creativeness comes out. I do the same thing I did with the sweet potatoes. I put some wood chips at the bottom and a little bit of leaf litter. Then I went in with some compost and manure. That's going to be my soil. And then I go in with these bamboo sticks or trellises. That is what I'm going to train. That's what I'm going to train my vines up. Those are going to act as my trellises. And this is good for airflow. When you're growing vine and stuff, you want them, it's best to grow them up, especially off the ground, so it's not so easy for bugs to get through. But also it helps fight against powdery mildew, and also it helps airflow, and it helps all the leaves get sunlight. It helps you grow some good healthy food and fruit off of your vine. So here I'm about to fertilize everything. I've already planted my zucchini. I know you see the bamboo sticks there. I just put those there. That was my cucumber, another type of cucumber. I think a market or pickling, I'm not sure. And then, of course, my zucchini. And then I have to go through and fertilize everything. That's the one that's high in nitrogen, because everything doesn't really have flowers, and I don't want to give it something that's going to make leaves come out. I need you to give me some food, some fruit. Push out some flowers for me. That will come later once they start. But right now, they need nitrogen to get the leaves up, to grow the plant. So when you see a container, when I showed you in the front, it had the numbers NPK. It's in order always. The first letter is N, the second one is P, the last one is K. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. In the beginning, you want high nitrogen, low potassium, low phosphorus. Low phosphorus, low potassium. Then once you start seeing flowers, you want high phosphorus and potassium and low nitrogen. Right? Because if you try and give it nitrogen in the end, when it's already got flowers, you're going to get a big, beautiful plant without no food. Right? So that's just something to remember. I done fertilized everything. This video was 3 hours long. I've cut it down to 17 minutes. Because I'm not going to sit here and watch no 3-hour video. I don't want you to. I like myself, but I don't want... That's just unnecessary, you know? That's pretty much it. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I will see you next time.